In this Argos Support video, we will show you what to do if your Nintendo Switch controller's joystick no longer responds, or it appears that the joystick is moving on the screen without being touched. The first thing we recommend trying is cleaning around the joystick. Use a soft cloth to remove any visible debris. We also recommend using compressed air to clean around the joystick. If cleaning the joystick did not resolve controller stick drift, hold down the sync button and release when the lights start flashing. A message on the screen will show when paired. The next thing you can try is calibrating your controller. From the home screen, scroll along to Settings, then press A and scroll down to Controllers and Sensors. Press A and scroll down to Calibrate control sticks. Press A and follow the on-screen instructions. The final thing we recommend trying is updating your controller. From the home screen, scroll along to Settings. Then press A and scroll down to Controllers and Sensors. Scroll down to Update Controllers. Press A and follow the on-screen instructions. For further help and assistance, please visit argos-support.co.uk.